Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you upload your music to Spotify. So at first, you need to download the app Spotify, and after downloading and creating an account in Spotify, just go to the app. Now just click on the top right settings option here. After clicking it, just scroll down like me. Scroll down until you find this option here, show audio files from this device. Just click on it to make it on. After making it on, just click on the bottom third option here, your library. After clicking on it, here you can see in the recent very first file option here, local files. Just click on it and you will see all of your songs in Spotify. So guys, this is how you can upload songs in Spotify. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.